Are you ready to flip your expectations and dive into the thrilling world of foldable smartphones? Get your seatbelts fastened because we're about to embark on a wild ride, comparing the newest contender, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5, with its predecessor, the Galaxy Z Flip 4. Lately, the foldable smartphone market has been abuzz with excitement, and Samsung has upped the game with its latest Galaxy Z Flip 5, fresh from the spectacular Galaxy Unpacked event. It's time to delve into the top major differences between the Z Flip 5 and its predecessor, the Z Flip 4. Buckle up as we explore the cutting-edge advancements that make the Galaxy Z Flip 5 one of the hottest foldable phones on the market. From sleek design tweaks to revolutionary performance upgrades, we've got it all covered. The Galaxy Z Flip 5 comes swinging with its impressive flex hinge, setting it apart from its predecessor, the Galaxy Z Flip 4. It may seem like a tiny tweak, but trust me, it makes all the difference in keeping up with the competition. We want that seamless, futuristic feel, don't we? Sure, both the Z Flip 5 and Z Flip 4 still look slick and stylish, but here's where the Z Flip 5 takes the spotlight again. With its larger outer screen, it screams modern marvel while keeping you ahead of the curve. However, with this bigger screen, you'll have to bid farewell to some of the customizations available on the bespoke edition of the Galaxy Z Flip 4. Tough choice, right? Now, let's get real for a moment. We know we're all about the cool tech and whatnot, but design is about more than just appearances. It's about how it feels in your hand, how it slips into your pocket, and how it makes you feel like you're wielding a gadget from the future. The Galaxy Z Flip 5 and Z Flip 4 nail these aspects with their sleek profiles and compact form factor, making you the envy of your tech-savvy pals. But hey, let's not forget that the devil's in the details. Little tweaks in the flex hinge and outer screen size are what define the Galaxy Z Flip 5's evolution over its predecessor. So if you're all about that cutting-edge style with a touch of innovation, the Galaxy Z Flip 5 might just be your perfect fit. Now that we've discussed the design, let's shift gears and dive into the heart of these flip wonders: performance. Brace yourselves, folks, because this is where the Galaxy Z Flip 5 flaunts its superiority over the Galaxy Z Flip 4. Okay, here's the scoop. The Galaxy Z Flip 4 may rock the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset, a pretty snappy contender in its own right. But hold on to your hats, because the Galaxy Z Flip 5 takes it up a notch with the newer and mightier Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. Oh yeah, we're talking about next-level performance here. In our everyday interface navigation, both phones dance smoothly and respond like a dream. But hey, we're tech enthusiasts, right? We crave more than just smooth moves. Let's throw some benchmark tests and graphics-heavy games into the mix to see who truly flexes those performance muscles. And guess what? The Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 on the Galaxy Z Flip 5 leaves its predecessor in the dust when it comes to single and multi-core CPU tests. It's like watching David trounce Goliath, but this time, it's the Gen 2 chip with the knockout punch. Plus, the energy efficiency of the new chip promises a significant battery boost. Time to flip out over that battery life, folks. Wait, that's not all. Samsung has been feeling generous, and they've upped the ante with the base storage capacity of the Galaxy Z Flip 5. It's a whopping 256GB now, while the Galaxy Z Flip 4 was content with 128GB. Double the storage, double the fun. So in the performance arena, the Galaxy Z Flip 5 struts its stuff with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, outperforming its predecessor with ease. Whether you're zipping through apps or conquering gaming marathons, the Galaxy Z Flip 5 is your ultimate performance powerhouse. Now that we've seen these flips flex their tech muscles, it's clear that the Galaxy Z Flip 5 takes the crown in the performance department. First up, the cover screens. The Galaxy Z Flip 5 takes the lead with its impressive 3.4-inch Super AMOLED display, boasting a resolution of 720 x 748. That's a major upgrade from the Z Flip 4's 1.9-inch AMOLED screen with a resolution of 260 x 512. The Z Flip 5's cover screen is so large that it practically engulfs the whole exterior case. Talk about screen real estate. But wait, there's more. Samsung has a neat surprise up its sleeve with the Z Flip 5's cover screen. You'll spot a tiny fin on the bottom left corner, cleverly making room for the Z Flip 5's dual camera array. Not only that, the Z Flip 5 flaunts larger-sized widgets on its cover screen, allowing for more interactive fun. And get this, some apps can even run in full screen mode on the cover screen. It's like having a pocket-sized powerhouse in your hands. Now, let's dive into the main displays. Both the Galaxy Z Flip 5 and Z Flip 4 come equipped with 6.7-inch beauties. The Flip 5 rocks a 2640x1080 FHD plus dynamic AMOLED 2x display, while the Flip 4 boasts a 2640x1080 FHD AMOLED screen. They're both AMOLED displays, which means you'll get those vibrant colors and wide viewing angles, no matter which one you choose. But here's the thing, we're still running tests to see just how bright the Z Flip 5's display gets. We're hoping it'll at least match or even surpass the Flip 4's peak rating of 772 nits. So, get ready to soak in those stunning visuals with both these Flip wonders. Didn't exactly ace our battery life tests. With its adaptive refresh rate on, it managed a decent 8 hours and 33 minutes. Not too bad, but it falls short of making it to the best phone battery life list by a long shot. Even when limited to 60 Hz, it only squeezed out 8 hours and 57 minutes. Still not enough to keep up with the average smartphone. But fear not, dear tech enthusiasts, because the Galaxy Z Flip 5 brings a glimmer of hope. Now, Samsung didn't boost the battery capacity this time around, sticking with the same 3,700 mAh cell. However, here's where it gets interesting. The new Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip is here to save the day. With its energy-efficient prowess, it might just be the secret sauce needed to crank up the Z Flip 5's battery life. We're eagerly putting the Z Flip 5 through its paces in our battery life tests, and we're crossing our fingers for a performance that blows its predecessor out of the water. Will it be the phone that keeps us going through the day without searching for the nearest charging outlet? Only time will tell, but we're hopeful for a battery life that truly shines. So, if you're someone who needs their phone to keep up with their busy lifestyle, the Galaxy Z Flip 5 might just be the answer to your prayers. With the mighty Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 on its side, it's ready to flip the script on battery life and keep you going from sunup to sundown. Thanks for tuning in to this exciting Galaxy Z Flip 5 versus Galaxy Z Flip 4 comparison. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more tech showdowns and in-depth reviews. Click that bell icon to never miss an update, and be sure to check out our channel for more videos just like this one. Until next time, stay tech savvy and keep flipping. See you in the next video.